Hey everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to update your self-hosted version of N8N if you're using it through Coolify. This is so we can keep up to date with the latest features without breaking anything. The first thing we want to do is log into our Coolify instance via Hostinger. Once we're in, we're going to go to Project, our first project, and we're going to choose the N8N instance. Once we go into N8N, all we have to do is go into Advanced and pull the latest images and restart. What this is going to do, it's going to look into the Docker file for the latest images and it's going to update our instance with them. Once we see the service running and it being healthy, all we have to do now is go into links and click on the N8N instance, and that's it. Now your N8N is up to date and it has the latest features. If you found this helpful, please drop a like and a follow for more automation tutorials. I also run a Skool community where I teach people how to use AI and automations. Link will be down below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.